So there are two ways to do this, right? First of all, we have to find the viral video. So we're on the main page of YouTube in Comet browser. This is an AI powered browser. So if you don't have it, you can download it, but I'm going to show you a way to do it without this browser as well. So if you're using Chrome or anything else, it'll work too. So first of all, we see the shorts here. You can do this with long form as well, but we're going to do it for the short, for the heck of it, for the shortness, right? So this video has what, 6 million views, almost 200k likes. So this is going to be a good example. First of all, we're going to change the URL from shorts to watch, because when we change that URL like this opens this other view where you can access the transcript of the video. Here is the transcript, but you don't need to Hindi, alright, whatever, you don't need to open the transcript right now. In here in Comet you have an AI assistant, and here you have summarized the current web page. So it's summarized, but I'm going to type in like the structure of this video's script, then use the same structure to script out a video for me in fitness niche. You can be more specific, you can use anything else, right? Now it's going to analyze the script. Cold question hook. First, one sentence answer. I'm not gonna read all that right now, but then you have a script following that same structure. And then you can adjust it to your liking, but you have the structure laid out, right? You can even use that, depends on your audience, right? So I'm gonna copy that prompt, and the same thing you can do is you can go to Gemini by Google, yes, right here. Then you paste that prompt, that same prompt, and we paste the URL of the video, and here again it gives you the full breakdown of the structure and gives you a video in your niche, and then you can just adjust it to fit your audience better, and that's it.